Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Weekend Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. Now I'm gonna be taking this light pink shade right here, and it's going to be my transition shade. And as you know, I'm gonna bring this all the way up to my eyebrow. And the eyeshadows in this palette are more pigmented than they look on the pan, so you want to go in light-handed. Then I'm gonna take this darker pink shade, and I'm gonna start deepening up the crease with this shade. So I'm only gonna put this in the crease. And then I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm gonna be taking this dark red shade right here, and I'm gonna be using this to really deepen up that crease. And I'm gonna focus this only on my crease and also on the outer V, because I'm gonna be smoking out the outer V. So that's what I'm doing right now. And you just want to do this until you get the deepness that you want. And then I'm going to grab that same brush that I used first with that same pink shade, and I'm just going to use this to blend this out a little bit. And then you want to repeat these steps until you get it like you want. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this goldy shade from the Weekend Festival palette as well, and I'm going to put it on my lid up to where I smoked it out with the red shade. And then I'm going to go in ahead with the same brush that I used the red shade with the same red shade, and I'm going to re-smoke out the outer V. And I'm also going to redefine the crease because I felt like it did go away when I added that shade to my lid. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to blend everything out with the pink shade and the same brush I used before. And now moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using my gel liner by Pretty Vulgar. I'm going to go ahead and wing it out. And I didn't really like using gel liner, but I felt that with this gel liner it was really easy for me to really wing it out. So I think I'm going to start using gel liner more often. And I love how pigmented it is, and I also like that it doesn't dry down shiny, which is the biggest things that I hate in an eyeliner, when it dries down shiny. And then for eyelashes, I'm going to be using my Acero eyelashes in the style Legendary. And I do have a discount code if you guys want to use it to get some money off your purchase. These are one of my favorite pairs by them. They are just so pretty, and I thought it went really good with this look. It just made the look really come together. Now I'm going to be using that same shade that I used as my transition shade, and I'm just going to start smoking out my bottom lash. But I'm also going to be adding that red shade on top of that pink one, just to give it a little bit of more definition. And then I did add some black eyeliner to my waterline. And then for mascara, for blending in my fake lashes with my real lashes and my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using my Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. This quickly became one of my favorite ones. I just love what it does to my eyelashes. It really gives it some volume and really makes them look really pretty. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish my face makeup. I'm going to go ahead and contour with my Park Ave Princess Chisel palette by Tarte, and I'm just going to carve out my cheeks, my forehead, and I also used it to contour my nose. And then for blush, I'm going to be using my 8C blush palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade called Driven, and it's one of my favorite blushes from that palette. And I'm going to be grabbing my Sculptor highlighting and contouring palette by Pure Cosmetics. I'm going to be grabbing this highlighting shade right here, and I'm going to be using this as my highlights. I'm going to put this where I normally put my highlighter, on my nose, on top of my cheeks, and I also used it on my Cupid's bow, my inner corner, and my brow bone. It is such a pretty highlighter, so pretty. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Milani Matte More Lip Cream in the shade Sugar. And I think this is what really brought the whole look together. And that is it for this video, you guys. This is the final look right here. I really enjoyed doing this video, and let me know if you guys like these voiceovers. I really like doing them, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well as I did, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys, love you. And also let me know what kind of videos you guys would like me to do, or what do you want to see on my channel. I have a lot of ideas, but I'm open to suggestions, you guys, so please let me know. Okay, bye.